Hey guys, it's been a wonderful 1-year journey with my Perodua Ativa, and in this video, I'll share what I like, not so like, and hope to have in the Ativa. Starting with the things I like is the advanced safety features packed in this SUV price range, such as pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and many more, but my favorites are blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert, also known as RCTA. I find it very important and should be a standard feature in all cars, especially in 2022, instead of sticking a round-shaped blind spot mirror to them. RCTA is very useful, especially if you are not a reverse parker. The side mirror indicator will blink along with an alert sound whenever a vehicle is approaching nearer to you when you engage to reverse gear. Next is the comfort of Ativa. The ride and handling are good. I don't feel the floatiness on highway drive, and I prefer driving the Ativa more than the CX-5, especially for a short journey. Third, the Perodua Ativa is not just an affordable SUV. Their service maintenance cost is also very wallet friendly, which is almost similar to a Perodua Myvi, below 3,200 for the first 5 years. However, the only concern is maintaining the tires. Changing a single stock tire of Ativa AB variant, the Bridgestone T005A 17-inch Turanza, will cost about 380 per piece, which sums up to a minimum of 1,600 ringgit with alignment and installation for all 4 tires. Moving on, this is very subjective and personal, but having a sequential signal to me is sexy and it makes Ativa looks more garang. Last but not least, I like to change my signal sound once I'm bored with it, so having 3 different signal sounds are good to have. Which one is your favorite? To be honest, there's nothing I can complain about this car with the price being offered. However, if I must choose, I don't really like the stock Multimedia Player because it is not really user-friendly. If you have watched my previous video, Android users will have a better experience, while iOS users will need a bypass cable to mirror the screen while on the move. Another thing I personally don't like is the car reverse sound. This is not really a big concern. It's just that the reverse sound is on a higher pitch, which is similar to a lorry when it is reversing. Moving to things that I hope Perodua can consider in the new Ativa product change or facelift are Multimedia Player with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as these are the staple product of Multimedia Player nowadays. Another feature I hope to see is tire pressure monitoring system. This video is taken from David Ong explaining about TPMS on the Proton X70. It makes life easier to be notified earlier of the tire's pressure condition whenever you start your car, instead of realizing the tires are about to run flat when you are driving because the steering already starting to get heavy and unresponsive. Lastly, I hope they will equip a tail and telescopic steering wheel instead for a more comfortable ride, especially for taller people. By the way, have you already installed your RFID? Since I'm not a fan of placing the RFID outside of the car, I place it in between the windscreen and the McDonald's sticker. That's all my feedback during my 1 year of ownership, and I hope you get something useful from this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.